When you move, stretch, and breathe deeply, you're investing in your happiness and mental clarity. These moments of self-care help you handle stress and boost your mood. We can all achieve amazing things, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. You don't have to do this alone. Support and encouragement make all the difference. Together, we'll celebrate every milestone, big or small. Remember, fitness is for everyone, regardless of your current fitness level, age, or background. There's no such thing as being too late or too inexperienced to start. Everybody is unique, and every journey is worth celebrating. We're starting this journey together, focusing on simple yet powerful exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. No gym? No problem. Your living room, a park, or even your backyard can become your personal fitness space. All you need is a little motivation and a willingness to try. We'll start with incline push-ups, a fantastic way to build upper body strength. They're perfect for beginners and can be done using a bench, a sturdy chair, or even a low wall outside. Then, we'll dive into bodyweight shoulder exercises to sculpt those shoulders and boost your confidence. These moves will help you feel stronger and more capable with every session. Are you ready to feel the amazing benefits of a healthier, more active lifestyle? Let's take that first step together and make this your best chapter yet. Let's do this. Incline push-ups are your secret weapon to building a stronger upper body. They're a fantastic way to develop foundational strength, especially if you're just starting out or looking for a safer alternative to traditional push-ups. By changing the angle, you reduce the load on your arms and shoulders, making it easier to focus on perfecting your form. They're like regular push-ups, but we're making it easier and more accessible for everyone. Whether you're a beginner, recovering from an injury, or just want to switch up your routine, incline push-ups are a great choice. You can do them almost anywhere, and they're suitable for all fitness levels. Find a sturdy surface like a bench, wall, or even your kitchen counter. The higher the surface, the easier the push-up will be, so pick what feels right for you. Make sure it won't slip or move during your workout. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the surface, or just a bit wider than your shoulders. This position helps you target the right muscles and keeps your wrists comfortable. Step back until your body forms a straight line from head to toe. Engage your legs and glutes and keep your neck in a neutral position. Imagine a straight plank from your heels to the top of your head. Now, lower your chest towards the surface by bending your elbows. Go as low as you comfortably can, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. This helps protect your shoulders and maximizes muscle engagement. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Tighten your abs and avoid letting your hips sag or pike up. This not only protects your back but also helps you build total body strength. Push back up to the starting position, feeling those muscles work. Exhale as you press up and focus on controlled, steady movement. Each rep brings you closer to your strength goals. Incline push-ups are brilliant because they work your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. You'll also notice improvements in your core stability and overall endurance as you practice. They're also perfect for building strength gradually, especially if you're new to exercise. Start with a few reps, and as you get stronger, lower the incline or add more repetitions. Celebrate your progress. Every push-up counts. Ready to sculpt those shoulders? Bodyweight exercises are incredible for building strength and definition without any fancy equipment. Let's start with arm circles. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Extend your arms straight out to the sides. Make small circles forward, then reverse the direction. Feel the burn. Next up, we have pike push-ups. Get into a downward dog yoga pose, with your hands shoulder-width apart and your hips high in the air. Lower your forehead towards the ground by bending your elbows. Push back up, engaging those shoulder muscles. These exercises target your shoulders from different angles, helping you build strength and improve mobility. Remember, consistency is key. Did you know that regular exercise can boost your mood, improve sleep, and even increase your energy levels? It's like a superpower. Every rep, every workout is an investment in a healthier, happier you. Here are some practical tips for your fitness journey. Start slowly and gradually increase the number of repetitions as you get stronger. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem. Remember, fitness is not about being perfect, it's about being better than you were yesterday. Now that you're armed with these awesome exercises and new knowledge, it's time to take action and make a real difference in your fitness journey. Start by incorporating incline push-ups into your weekly routine, whether you're at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. Remember, every rep counts and every effort brings you closer to your goals. Add in those bodyweight shoulder exercises to strengthen and sculpt your upper body. Consistency is key, and I truly believe in your ability to push through and see amazing results. Let's build a supportive community where we encourage and uplift each other. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on new workouts, tips, and motivation. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or inspiring. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who want to get fit. And don't forget to share it with your friends, family, or anyone who could use a little extra motivation to start their own fitness journey. Together, we can motivate and inspire each other to stay committed and make healthy choices every day. Your progress can inspire someone else to start. I want to hear from you. What fitness challenges are you currently facing? Are there any obstacles holding you back or victories you want to celebrate? What exercises or topics would you like to learn about next? Your feedback helps shape future videos and ensures we're all growing together. So, share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. I read every comment and love connecting with you all. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Keep moving forward, keep believing in yourself, and keep smashing those fitness goals, no matter how big or small. Celebrate every achievement and keep striving for progress. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and remember, you've got